A description on a gravestone or a short poem in memory of a deceased person is called blank. Is it A, maxim, B, epitaph, C, motto, or D, epigram? The correct answer for number 12 is letter B, epitaph. Pag sinabi kasi po nating maxim, ang maxim naman po, these are rules for good conduct or good behavior. Okay? So ito po yung mga sayings natin na sinasabi natin as a part of our behavior, no? To project or to show or exhibit good behavior. Ang motto naman po, ang kaibahan niya sa motto, saying din si motto, no? Saying din siya. Pero motto, it's more on part of your belief system. It's a part of your own ideals. Kung ano yung mga pinaniniwalaan mo. That's motto. Pag sinabi naman nating epigram, epigram are short, witty poems. Okay? These are poems. Pwedeng couplet, dalawang line, quatrain, apat na line, or pwede ring one-line phrase lang siya. Okay? It's a poem and it's intended to be witty and satirical. That is epigram. Meanwhile, ang isang epitaph naman po, hindi naman siya necessary na isang poem, but rather it's more of a description on a gravestone.